So here's a question. How many of you are waiting until Black Friday to promote your services? I see you just sitting there waiting for November to magically bring in new clients. And spoiler alert, it won't. Look, I totally get it because there's this little belief that if you go all out during Black Friday or the holidays, that you will hit your numbers. And that is like the last push, right? But let's be real. That's not how it works anymore. In 2024, the world is always on. And your clients, let's just be honest, they just don't want something on a random November Friday. They want actually solutions right now. So today, we're going to be talking about how to sell every day without feeling like you are being that pushy salesperson that we all try to avoid. And you're going to learn why you don't need to rely actually on big sale events and how to make consistent selling your secret weapon. Let's go. Hey, I'm Veronica De Polo, and with more than 15 years being a marketing strategist, are you ready for actionable bite-sized episodes about business advice on marketing, branding, and messaging to take your business to the next level? If you're a service business owner, we'll show you how to attract qualified leads on social media and beyond. We'll reveal the art of showcasing your brand effectively and will uncover the best strategies to hook your audience so they keep coming for more. Say goodbye to outdated marketing strategies and embrace the power of change. Welcome to the Branding Momentum Podcast. So let's break this down. You know what happens when you wait for Black Friday, right? You're basically saying, I'm going to ignore my potential clients for 11 months, and then I'm going to bombard them with all my offers like a doorbuster sale. Newsflash, babes, they will tune out. Why? Because everybody is doing it. And let's be honest, your potential clients don't want to be hit over the head with 100 different sales emails and social posts when every business out there is screaming, buy me, buy me, buy from me, buy from me, instead of, saving your best stuff for one day of the year. Like, for example, if you want to wait to lose weight to wear that beautiful favorite dress that you have, or that sequin dress that it's only reserved for special occasions, or like you're gonna wait until you have friends over so that you can actually bring out the special tablecloth and the cutlery. Yeah, I know that you save your best stuff for the best moments. And you know what? Don't do that anymore. I mean, life is short, right? You never know. Why would we do that? Let's break the pattern here. What if you actually gently and casually and confidently sell all year round? Not the loud or in your face kind of selling, but the kind where you're showing up, you're delivering value, and you're making your offers part of the conversation every single day. So bear with me. This is how I see it. In 2024, if you're not consistently putting out offers in front of people, you are leaving money on the table. And I know some of you might be thinking, but V, I don't want to come across as salesy, like one of those, infomercials that never ends. But let me tell you, my dear friends, selling doesn't have to be gross. It actually is a form of serving. That's the way I see it, actually. Your future clients are out there. They're needing your solutions. But how they're going to know if you never show up, if you're only waiting for that moment of the year to actually sell and double down. It's like hiding the best dessert at a party. You're so mean. Why? Nobody will know it's there unless you offer it. Selling is simply, reminding people, hey, I got something that is going to make your life easier. And here's where, most service-based business owners get it wrong. They think that selling means pushing their offer on people. But in reality, what it means is that selling is just offering to solve a problem. You see what I just did there? You're not convincing someone to buy something they don't need. Sorry? Let me repeat that again. You are not convincing someone to buy something they don't need. You're saying, hey, I see your struggle. I got a way to fix that. Think about the last time someone made you a suggestion that actually really and honestly helped you. Did it feel pushy? Probably not, right? Now, I want you to imagine you are doing the same thing for your potential clients. Maybe you are a designer, and you want to offer how to refresh a brand, or a consultant that is actually helping someone get their business on track. When you show up every day and you remind them that you can help without the pressure, you're offering a service. You're not making a sale. So how do you sell every day without being annoying? It is actually easier than you may think. And here's the trick. Some days you'll sell very loudly. And other days you'll sell softly. Selling loudly means you're making a direct offer. Hey, book a discovery call today. Let's work together. You're actually putting it out there very clearly and confidently. Selling softly is where the magic happens. This could actually look like as if you're sharing a client success story. I just helped a client triple their leads last month using a strategy that I use with my clients. You're not asking for anything. You're just showing results. And guess what? That's selling too. It's selling without saying, buy me now, being loud. And honestly, most of your audience doesn't want to hear buy now every day. But what they actually do want to see is the results of what you're doing, or how you can actually help them get those results. Now, do you remember in the last episode when we talked about ManyChat for lead generation, right? Well, here's the thing. It is not just for generating leads. And I glimpsed about it in the episode. You can actually use it to sell daily as well. And you can actually set up that flow to promote your offers in small and subtle ways, like, want to know how I increase my clients' revenue? Send me a DM and I'll show you the results, and I'll show you how we can do it for you. That is a very soft sale. It is all about, planting that little seed. And the beauty of it is that you don't have to be there in real life. ManyChat does the work while you're offline and while you're actually, you are having a life and you're living. And the best part about it is that it doesn't feel like selling. It feels like helping. And I want you to think about it. When it's promoting, it's helping. You are in the service-based world, in the service industry. So everything that you're putting out is to serve others. Okay, my lovelies, this one is for you. When you are busy working with clients, you're probably not thinking about selling, right? But what happens when those clients actually finish or working with you? You scramble for the next one, right? You're actually want to look for the next one. And that's what I actually call sometimes the income roller coaster, when you're either, climbing up and you're screaming on the way down and like, oh, and that is actually exhausting just to think about it. You're going on a roller coaster and you're like, it's a hamster wheel, but let's not call it hamster wheel, right? But by selling every day, even in the smallest ways, you are keeping that pipeline full. You are staying visible, you're showing up, you're reminding your audience and those potential clients that you are here and you're ready to help. And it's like, tending to your garden. You don't want to be planting everything all at once and just simply walking away. No, you want to water it a little bit every day so it keeps growing. So here's your takeaway for this episode. Selling every day doesn't mean selling hard. It means showing up, serving, and reminding people that you are here to help them. Some days you'll promote louder, some days quieter, but the key is consistency. Think of it as like working out without the sweat. You don't see the results right after that intense session, but the small and the consistent effort every day, that's what actually changes the game. So, ready to stop waiting for Black Friday and start selling daily? Let's do it together. I really want us to do this together. If you want more advice like this, make sure that you sign up for my daily emails. I break down marketing and messaging mindset tips that you can actually implement right away. You can find the link in the description, or maybe if you're ready to make that selling part of your daily routine, shoot me a DM with the word daily, and I'll send you my favorite strategy to make it happen. So also don't forget to send me a DM saying the word ManyChat if you want to get my free ManyChat lead magnet template that is going to show you the flow, how to get more leads into your service business. Okay, so I hope we start making selling a little bit more fun and a little bit more effortless every single day. And I hope you took the best part about this, which is you have to show up consistently. Okay, guys, I hope to see you same time, same place next week. Bye bye.